All right, number 31. A group of friends decided to divide the 800 costs of a trip equally among themselves. When two of the friends decided not to go on the trip, those remaining still divide the 800 costs equally, but each friend's share of the cost increased by $20. How many friends were in the group originally? Okay, so what happens here is this question is it's actually quite difficult to set up an equation. Okay, if you want to set it up, it's possible, but it'll be quite difficult to do. So for a question like this, we could do like a trial and error because we know the number of people that goes to a trip, the number of friends had to be a whole number, right? Had to be a whole number. You can't have a fraction of a person. So those have to be whole numbers. And then and they divide a $800 equally. So we know the number of people had to be a factor of 800, had to be a whole number factor. Okay, and we could just do like a trial and error here. And I think that's actually a good approach for this question because if we set up equation algebraically, it's actually quite difficult to set up and it will be difficult to solve. So what we can do is we can say if we have $800, we're dividing among a group of friends. So let's just say if we have, so what's a number divisible by 800? We can say what if we have like 8 people, right? Okay, what if we have 8 people? So then we have 8 people going, then each person pays $100, right? Okay. Now let's say we have 2 people that doesn't go, right? 2 people doesn't go to the trip. So now we're gonna divide by 6, right? And now we have 6 people going. So if they share the cost equally, so 800 divided by 6, we get 133.33. So the difference here, right? See, the difference increased from 100 to 133.33. So it's not increased by 20. It's very close. It increased by $33. Right? But it's not exactly 20. Okay, so you have to try another number. All right, so what's another number that we can divide? How about, so we don't want to do 9, 800 divided by 9 is not, well, we could do it, okay, but then the total price is not a whole number. So we know an increase is actually 20, so chances are it should be a whole number. So let's just do 10, right? So that's the number here will come out nicely. 800 divided by 10 is 80. All right, and then if you have 2 people that doesn't go, now we only have, right, originally there are 10 people, now 2 people doesn't go, so we have 8 people in the group now. Right, 8 people go to the trip. So how much each person had to pay? We do 800 divided by 8, which is $100. Well, this looks really nice, right? 80 go up to 100. It's an increase of $20. Each person had to pay additionally $20. So that matches with the question, right? Yep. So then to answer the question here, it says how many friends were in the group originally. So originally we said we have 10 people. Okay, and that will be our final answer for number 31.